Good afternoon, it's Delaney from LA Mazda, and right behind me here I have your vehicle of interest, the 2014 Mazda CX-5 GT. Hop inside the CX-5 to give you a closer look at the features and options equipped in the GT here. From left to right on the driver's door you have your power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Your auto light control is just located behind the wheel there. On the left side of the wheel your Bluetooth and volume controls, and on the right side your cruise control. The heated seats for both the driver and the passenger, your dual climate control, your AC controls, your radio controls, the CD player, and your backup camera will display on that touchscreen as well. Like I mentioned, your backup camera will appear on the touchscreen just to give you a closer look at that. Quick look at the couple different ports and plugins in the center console as well. And with summertime just around the corner, the sunroof is a beautiful addition. The power leather seats with the red trim here in the CX-5 GT model. 780-986-9665 is the dealership number here. Give me a call if you have any further questions.